Do you want to create a perfect thumbnail from your video in just seconds? Then open TaskHug.com. On the homepage, go to the Video Tools section and open the free video thumbnail generator. Here you can easily capture preview images from your videos. This tool supports MP4, AVI, MOV and WMV video formats. Now click on Select Video File and upload your video by clicking or using drag and drop. After uploading, choose your thumbnail time in seconds. For example, set it to 40 seconds to capture a perfect frame. Once your time is selected, click on Generate Thumbnail. Please wait for a few seconds while your thumbnail is being generated. Your thumbnail is now ready. Simply click on the Download button to save it to your device. TaskHug. Simple, fast, free. Thank you for using TaskHug.
Subscribe now to get access to free tools.